Have you ever wondered if the city's water is actually clean? I have this whole home filter installed in 2021. I've never changed the filter. All I'm going to do today is change the pre-filter, that's the first filter, and see what it looks like with the city's water coming in. First, I'll walk you through my filter setup. I have a pre-filter which catches anything incoming, what I'm changing today. The main filter, which is supposed to catch all the nasty stuff, and then another post filter, I guess to catch anything that was missed. Now here's what a brand new pre-filter looks like. Commit this to memory, because that's what we're going to be comparing to. First thing I do is turn off the water running into my filter and out of my filter. Then I have a bypass valve which I'll open up to let water run around the filter. And I also have a purge valve. What this does is lets the water run out of the filters. Otherwise, the filters are under pressure, and when you go to unscrew it, it's going to spray out a lot. The filters themselves also have relief valves, but I had installed this, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the tool provided from the filters to remove them. I'm just trying to remember which way is tight and loose. Turns out righty tighty lefty loosey still holds true after all these years, and that's how these filters come off. It's surprisingly easy to do, and this is honestly something I should have done years ago, but I've been kind of saving it for this video, and I realized that today is the day I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to empty the water out of here before I do the big reveal. Oh my god, that is not what the filter looks like. This looks like a big turd or a large sausage. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I should have changed this years ago, but this is showing me right now that this filter is absolutely working and that city water is not coming into my house perfectly clean. On closer inspection, you can see the filter is covered in sediment. Now, I would imagine that most of what you're seeing is rust in the water from city infrastructure, which isn't actually allegedly harmful to your health, but I don't know about you, but I don't want to be drinking it. Would I put a pre-filter on my house? Of course I would. Would I change the filter more frequently in the future? Yeah, I should. I should be. And here's your side-by-side comparison. So this makes it really, really obvious how dirty that filter actually is. What I would be curious to know is how long it takes to get that dirty. I mean, I know this one is 5 years, but would it get this dirty after 3, 6, 9, 12 months? That being said, like I said earlier, the filter is definitely doing its job. Now, as a bonus, I'm also going to change the post filter just because I'm already at it. This one shouldn't look like the other one. Ugh. At first glance, it's kind of alarming. It looks moldy, but what I think that is carbon deposits from the main filter. The main filter is mostly a carbon filter, and some of that comes through into the post filter, and that's what it's for, is to block that carbon. Again, a side-by-side compared to a brand new one, so that's obviously going to be white, the brand new one, and it looks bad, but I think it's just carbon and we're pretty safe. So all in all, if you have pre-filters, change them. The city water isn't coming in clean. So there you have it. As you can see, the city water's not that clean. Would you change your mind and put a filter on your house? If so, do you have any recommendations? Put them in the comments below.